Want to run Linux on your Android phone? There are three big players: Termux, Userland, and Andronix. Let's find out which one wins. First up, we have Termux. This is a pure command line terminal. No fancy windows or buttons, just you and the Linux shell. It's super lightweight and blazing fast. It's perfect for coding, running scripts, or managing servers. You get access to tons of packages through its built-in package manager, but the downside is there's no desktop environment. Everything is text-based. If you're comfortable with command lines, then Termux is your best friend. It uses almost no battery and barely takes up space. Next is Userland. This one gives you a full Linux desktop experience. You can install Ubuntu, Debian, or Kali, and it comes with a graphical interface so you can use programs like Firefox, LibreOffice, and even image editors. It's completely free and open source. The catch, it's slower than Termux because it has to run a full desktop. It also drains your battery faster and needs a VNC viewer to see the screen. Setup takes a bit more work, but once it's running, you have a real Linux computer in your pocket. Finally, there's Andronix. Think of it as Userland on steroids. It also gives you full Linux distributions, but with pre-made setups that are faster and easier to use. Andronix has what they call modded OS versions. These come with themes, desktop tools, and software already installed. Everything looks good right out of the box. The free version works great, but you can pay for premium features. The downside, some distributions are outdated and might not work properly. It also has a strong community support with Discord and Telegram groups. So, which one should you pick? If you want speed and simplicity, go with Termux. Need a full desktop for free? Choose Userland. And want the easiest setup with polish? Then Andronix is your winner. Each one serves a different purpose. Pick based on what you need, and let us know in the comments which one you are trying first. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.